Hey everybody, today we are looking at this HL-2300D from Brother. It has a toner light on, but it has a full toner cartridge. I know that because I just replaced it and it is refusing to print. It needs what's called a toner reset. Our first step is to press and hold the power button until the lights all turn off. Once that's done, we open the toner door and then we press and hold the go button. And we're gonna keep our finger on this while we do the next step. So my finger is staying on that green go button, and I'm gonna press the power button. I'm gonna wait until the toner, paper, and drum lights are lit. Once the toner, drum, and paper lights are all lit, I'm going to release the go button. And then I'm gonna press the go button 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm gonna wait for the lights to come on. Now that the lights are on, I'm gonna press the go button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last step is just to close the toner door and you are finished. Hey, if this video helped you, the best way to thank me is to check out the toner in the description below or to comment, like, or subscribe. Thanks for watching.